Hey, I thought we were just going on a short trail ride. What's all that?
Beer and snacks. No, seriously, first aid supplies. You never
Good
know
thinking.
what you may need.
It's good
I mean,
thinking.
seriously, the most likely thing to happen on a trail, other than me falling off and landing on my head, which we know happens, is her to fall and get a cut. And what's the best way to deal with a wound out on the trail?
Keep it clean, keep it covered, keep it moist.
There you go. So all we have in here is stuff to keep it clean, keep it covered, keep it moist.
Yeah,
Just
you
the
know.
essentials.
And where we're going doesn't
And-
have cell phone coverage either.
You never know. I mean, I'm a vet, so I'm kind of handy, but without my truck and all my supplies, I'm not that useful. So I gotta have at least a few things. And if you were there without me, I mean, you have the knowledge. If you had these things, you could really prevent something from getting serious just with a few supplies. So,
True.
you know, the average person doesn't really know what they need and, you know, what's an emergency, what to have, what to bring with them. But, you know, if more people just took our class, they'd be prepared for these situations. Because most of the time, those first 30 minutes of dealing with an emergency are the critical time period. And that's before the vet ever makes it on site.
Well, it's true, and I know, in my barn, if something happens in my barn, you're about an hour away.
It's true. I can't be everywhere at once. I like my clients to be prepared. And the best way for them to be prepared, take our first aid course, know what to pack in a first aid kit and have it handy, have it not be expired. And then, of course, I have a whole lot more stuff back in the trailer, but this is, out on the trail, this is what you need.
I also think it's good to know just even what to have in your own barn
True.
and
Yeah.
when to call a vet.
Well, that's why we made that list. Post it in the barn. Everybody knows what they need. They know when to call, what's really serious, what's not. And, better safe than sorry. Just be prepared.
Dr. Kelleyerin Clabaugh and April Johnston of Equine Institute offer online and hands-on courses to help horse owners learn to recognize and appropriately respond to common equine emergencies on the trail, in the trailer, and around the barn. Topics include taking vitals, recognizing signs of colic, cellulitis, and laminitis, and triage care for lacerations, eye injuries, puncture wounds, and anaphylaxis. Methods to safely assist a down horse are also covered. Knowing when to call the vet and what to do until he or she arrives can be critical to your horse's health and survival. Equine Institute's first aid course is appropriate and recommended for all equestrians 12 years of age and older.